Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hydrogen-oxygen facial machine. First, always begin by thoroughly cleansing your client's face to prepare their skin for the treatment. Next, ensure your machine is correctly assembled and all connections are secure. Remember to fill the designated water tank with distilled water for the best results. Finally, choose the right treatment settings tailored to your client's specific skin needs and concerns. Now, let's move on to the application. Gently glide the hydrogen-oxygen probe across your client's skin, ensuring a consistent and slow movement. This technique helps achieve even product distribution and maximizes the benefits. Pay special attention to areas that require deep hydration or revitalization. Always observe your client's comfort level throughout the entire application process to ensure a pleasant experience. To enhance your treatment, consider incorporating specialized serums or solutions. You can introduce these into the machine's reservoir. These powerful additions can target specific skin concerns, such as fine lines, uneven tone, or dryness, providing a more customized approach. Remember to adjust the machine's intensity to ensure optimal serum penetration. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for serum compatibility and usage for the best outcomes. After the treatment, apply a soothing moisturizer and sunscreen to protect your client's skin. It's also helpful to advise them on proper at-home skincare routines to maintain lasting benefits. For the machine's longevity and hygiene, thoroughly clean and sanitize all components after every single use. Finally, store your hydrogen-oxygen facial machine in a dry, safe place to ensure its continued optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.